Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, there is this airdrop currently going on now. This is drop airdrop. This is drop as in drop. So if you missed meme, don't miss this one, man. You understand? So just stay tuned. I'm actually going to walk you through on how to do that. So we go together. So first of all, I have to connect my Twitter account, my X account. So let's get started. So you can see that connect your Twitter. You can also make your own research. Do you understand? Just that I've actually been reading about it since Saturday. Do you understand? So today is Monday now. So I'm like, let me just give it a try. So remember not to feed anything in the crypto market, in the crypto space. So never can tell the one that we cook, the one that actually going to change your life for good. So we're going to click connect your Twitter. Understand? Sorry about that. So it's actually loading. So I'll authorize. You understand? Drop. So click. I'll be dropping the link on this video description. So when you click on the link, you register, then and start farming drop. Understand? So we're actually going to perform some task now, so that we earn more points. So and once you are done with the registration, you can refer your friends. You understand? So this one now have referral. So you say share your wallet, spread the word about drop, follow drop, add yellow this thing drop to your S name, follow. Do you understand? May we know who referred you? Share the hard routine of drop farmers, invite friends. Do you understand? So we're actually going to perform all these tasks now. So stay tuned. Make sure that you see this video to the end, and also give this video a thumbs up. Share this video, like, so that others can also benefit from it. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Here in this channel, we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency without spending any time. So stay tuned. You understand? Remember not to feed anything in the crypto space. So never can tell the one that is actually going to change your life for good. Do you understand? So now actually going to click on share your wallet, the first one, and let's see what it will show. You see enter Ethereum wallet where you do like to receive drop hot ACS wallet, not ACS wallet. So you use your MetaMask wallet. You understand? So I'm going to copy my MetaMask wallet. Remember to use your Bona wallet. So use the Bona wallet, the wallet that you don't have your assets inside, so that if you connect to their site, if like just connect to your Bona wallet just in case. Never can say. Do you understand? So guys, I've just copied my wallet. So I'm going to click on collect points. So let's just perform this task. You can actually see that I've collected the points. You can see my points now. Do you see that? So let's just perform this task. It says share the word about drop. So let's just click on it. So you see, together we allow that spread the word about drop, collect points, share, spread the word about drop, collect points, enter tweet link. Well, let's just make a tweet and then we copy the link and paste. Do you understand? So make sure that you see this video to the end, guys. Please share this video, give this video a thumbs up so that others can also benefit from it. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. And if you have not joined my Telegram channel, join my channel. That place, if you have a question to ask, I'm actually going to attend you. Do you understand? Faster. So I have a Telegram channel, so do well to join. I will leave the link on this video description. So now I'm going to make a post and say stop fighting for 1% of supply, why devs and influencers take everything in a Dropcoin things are done differently. 50% airdrop for free social tasks. Now is the time when everyone can make it. Let's farm drop together. Do you understand? So I'm going to make a post. So when I post this thing now, I'm going to copy the link. So make sure that you see this video to the end. Do you understand? Do well to see this video to the end, guys. So you say your post was sent. So I'm going to copy it now. So guys, I've copied my link. I will paste it. Now I'm going to click on collect points. So let's just accumulate all these points. So never can tell. This project might cook because they are not making noise and people are not actually jumping into it. So once you see this video now, just perform this task. It takes nothing from you, just 5 minutes of your time. You are not losing anything. Nobody is asking you for money. Do you understand? So it's just a simple task. Connect your Twitter. You can actually disconnect your Twitter if you want after performing all these tasks. Do you understand? So it's actually loading. So guys, after pasting the link, you click on collect points. Yes. So now we're actually going to perform these various as follow drop. So we click and follow them on Twitter. Now as usual, when you follow them, you come back and collect reward. So stay tuned. Make sure that you see this video to the end, guys. So we click on follow now. Actually, we are now following them. We go back to collect reward. You can actually see that this impression is rare. You can see that. So don't fade anything. We'll go back to now. Click on collect points. Let's just accumulate all these points. Now no one is asking you for money. So immediately you see this video, you perform all these tasks. Now, do you understand? So stay tuned. So guys, the next quest is to add drop to our X account. Like just a yellow emoji then drop. So let's just do it. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, I've actually added it to my name. I'm going to click on correct point now. Do you understand? So guys, I don't know, I actually added this to my username, but I don't know what's wrong. It's not connecting. So I'll just go on the next task. I'll just click on this very one now, and I'll perform this one. You understand? I say follow. So let's follow the person. So this is the account we have to follow. So I'm following him already. So we'll go back to our account. Then we'll click here and claim our reward. You understand? So guys, the next task now is this. May we know who referred you. So I'll be leaving the invite link on this on this video description. So when you add the invite link, when you add the code, you'll be getting 808 points. You understand? So I'm actually going to add the person's name now. So guys, I've actually added the referral link, the invite code. So that is username. So I'll be leaving it on this video description. Do you understand? So I'm going to click on collect points now. Do you understand? So guys, the next one is to share the hard routine of drop. Do you understand? So sorry about that. So the next task is to share the hard routine of drop farmers. So when you click on it now, you just share it on X, on Twitter, you post it, then you copy the link and you paste it here. Do you understand? So I'm going to do it and paste the link here now. So I've actually made the post. I'm going to paste the link now. I'll click on collect reward. Do you understand? So I've collected that reward. So share your wallet. I've done that one. I've actually performed all these tasks. So the one that is remaining now is this one. So I'll be leaving my invite link on this video description. You understand? Let's click on it. It say earn airdrop points from everyone who mentions your username we know who, okay, we know who referred you field. Drop features A2 level referral system, 88 point for each of your body, 88 points for each of your body. Do you understand? So I'll be leaving the username on this video description. Do you understand? So stay tuned, guys. If there is any other update, if there is any other thing, I'm actually going to notify you guys. So what is remaining for me now is this. I've actually added this to my name, but I didn't make a space. So if you're adding it, just when you add that yellow emoji, you make a space, then you type in drop. Do you understand? So that was what I didn't add space. That was why. So guys, that'll be all for now. So if there is any other thing, I'm actually going to make a video. I understand. So stay tuned. You are not losing anything. Do you understand? So that'll be all for now, guys.